Alright, fix start the driver's side rocker. Get it put on in. Got a few things already done here. Got the holes drilled for the spot welds all the way around. Cleaned up. Coated the back side. Of course, got the new door pillars in. Had to do a weld patch right in here. All the way through. I ain't gonna fool with the grinds right there, leave that on there. Had to do a few floor patches here, here, and back in here. Alright, so that's looking pretty good. Get up here and put this bad boy in here. Of course, that's looking pretty good. I'm going to make a little cut right in here, knock that on in, which is fine. On this front end, this looks pretty good. I'll have to make one little small cut right in there. Knock that one in there. And go with it from there. Of course, I got to line the bottom up again like I did the other side with this back cap corner. I'll pull that on out right there. Adjust that. But first of all, let's get this door set and get it all adjusted so I can take that back in and adjust it right and put a spot or two back there on the weld. So let's get this door set. Here we go. Alright, we got the door and the fender on, so we can kind of meddle with it a little bit, I guess. The back's looking pretty good. I'll pick that up a little bit, adjust that with the door. Got the door seam looking pretty good all the way around. Pretty close. I got it a little high for now, but I can deal with that later. It's still okay because I got to put the door skin across the bottom. Of course, you can tell I got to put a patch on this fender. But I still got enough metal right there to work with to adjust all this in. But I'm going to get in there, scribe all that, mark it, and put a spot weld back there. I'll do this first. Then I'll take the door and the fender off after I mark that. Then I'll spot weld that. And then should be good to go. But that's what we're looking at. Looking pretty good. Alright, let's do something. Alright, got the fender and the door off. Got this thing kind of tacked in around here and there. It was a little tough on this side getting this door and stuff lined up and the fender. But I made a cut here on the bottom so I can adjust this up and down with this bottom flange down here so I can get a better bite. And I have to do the same thing on this bottom side. Right in there. Then I'll just weld that back up after I get everything all the way down in there. Get a better bite right there. Alright. This side went in pretty good because it was an easy adjustment there. Well, right in here. An easy adjustment right there and with the door. But anyway, I'll fix start welding this bad boy up. Alright, got it all in there. Gotta do a little grinding on it now, that's about it. Scuff it up real good and throw some etch primer on it. Other than that, turned out pretty good. I'm gonna fight these cab corners in next. Of course, I don't need that much of it. A little bit on the bottom there. I'll tackle them on the next one, both sides. Come in and grind these down. Grind the bottoms down here. But other than that, everything turned out alright. Y'all take it easy.